4-story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.